Now I am.
Say hi, Maddox. Oh yeah, get it out. Hello, everybody.
Mr. Hiccup Boy.
I'm Maddox. Look at my little feet. Oh.
They actually look pretty big.
Oh. Hiccup.
He'd probably fit in those size 1 Converse that I saw.
Oh, was that a burp? Big stretch. Say hi to all the grandparents. Say hi, Micah.
Hi.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, everybody. Oh. Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
You got the hiccups. Oh. Oh no. You don't like the camera?
He's probably pooping.
Let it out. Just let it out. Go ahead. Just big push. Oh no.
I cold.
You're cold?
What? I cold.
Nope.
I warm. You're super duper warm.
Silly goose. Oh. Oh.
Say bye-bye, Maddox.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, Micah.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, Mommy.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye.